Pay attention. I'm Ashy Boo Boo. Here's what happened. Two former business partners, Elon Musk and Sam Altman, are heading to court Monday over the future of OpenAI, one of the most consequential technology companies in the world. Musk was an early backer of OpenAI, which was founded as a non-profit with a mission to develop artificial intelligence for the benefit of humanity. The dispute centers on whether Altman and the organization's leadership have strayed from that founding mission. And Musk argues they have, fundamentally and deliberately. At stake is the structure of OpenAI itself, which is in the process of converting to a for-profit model, a shift Musk contends betrays the terms under which it was built. The trial begins Monday. That outcome will shape not just two careers, but the legal and structural future of an industry. I have no doubt about any of that, though I will say, the founding document did not anticipate this. Nothing did. The case continues. Economists describe it as a catastrophic miscalculation. And now to Walter Cronkite for the latest.
The Arkansas Attorney General has formally certified a law restricting the sale and distribution of hemp-derived THC products within the state. Attorney General Tim Griffin cleared the path for enforcement following the resolution of legal challenges to an earlier version of the legislation. The certification marks the conclusion of a prolonged legal dispute over the state's authority to regulate products derived from hemp, a category that has grown considerably since federal law changed the status of the plant. The law brings Arkansas into a group of states that have moved to draw clearer boundaries around hemp-derived compounds, separating them from products the state deems appropriate for general sale. Retailers and distributors operating in this space will now be subject to enforcement. The vet called while I was preparing this segment. I did not pick up. Further guidance on compliance timelines is expected from the state in the coming weeks. I would like a blanket. And that's the scoop.
Every single time. Salem has the next story.
Mezcal worm in a bottle DNA test reveals a surprise. Scientists have confirmed something that has been sitting at the bottom of mezcal bottles for generations. And it is not what anyone thought. The creature long known as the mezcal worm is, in fact, an agave redworm, a moth caterpillar. Not a worm. Not a mix of species. One specific caterpillar. Every time, apparently. Researchers use DNA analysis to reach this conclusion, which cats have always known there is something worth investigating at the bottom of a bottle. I want that acknowledged. And the findings carry real consequences beyond the novelty of the discovery. The caterpillar depends on agave plants, and those plants are already under pressure from commercial harvesting. Scientists say the demand tied to mezcal production is straining wild populations of both the insect and the agave it relies on. There's something about a creature that spends its entire existence inside a bottle of spirits that I find... I don't know. I'll sit with that. The research is published and ongoing, and that's what we know, which is less than we thought.
That's all for now. Thank Mew, and good night.